I'm Samuel with Vision Bleu. This is the application that we use for installs. So we'll start off by powering them on. Now the lights are powered on. So this would be the security lights. Just having lights all around the property allows you to have a good view of everything, and the lights are actually quite strong, especially at night when it's dark. Now we also have some spot modes. So these spots are here at the bottom left. This allows us to use many different types of spotlights that are preset on the app. So let's say we wanted to do 8 simple 8. So that allows you to have one lit up every 8. You have many different types of spots that you can play with. These all look really good. So these are the spot modes. Then you have the Christmas. You have so here you have a bunch of different ones.